It's me, James Swinney, and it's a Friday afternoon, and boy, am I excited. We have a full weekend ahead of us. The warm weather's supposed to return to the Big Apple as well. And did I mention it's a Friday? I know I did. But you also know what that means. The markets, they'll soon be closing right behind me. The traders behind me, they'll soon be going home. But here at modernwallstreet.com, we're getting the party started early. So grab yourself a drink and cheers to an early Friday edition of Happy Hour in the Big Apple. U.S. stocks, they're trading higher in midday trade this Friday afternoon, with the Dow Jones hitting the 18,000 mark for the first time in April, as investors continue to take in the start of the earnings season and the rising U.S. dollar. But a quick note, earnings season is here. But while some of those companies have already reported their quarterly earnings, the official start to the earnings season is usually marked by reports of Dow Components, JP Morgan Chase, and Intel, and that's next Tuesday. Keep in mind, Alcoa, that was removed from the Dow 30 back in late 2013. Meanwhile, the U.S. dollar index, measuring the dollar's performance against its counterparts, that's on pace right now for its first weekly gain in 1 month. And on the economic front, U.S. home prices for the month of March, that was down 0.3%. However, that decline was also in line with expectations. Now you team that with the jump in crude oil prices, a more than $13 surge in gold this afternoon over at the New York Mercantile Exchange, and really a full week of volatility, and you have yourself a session right behind me where 9 stocks advanced for every 5 decliners at the New York Stock Exchange. Let's now take a look to see how the markets are shaping up, not just to close out this session, but the week as well. And on the corporate front, investors keeping a close eye on General Electric today. Its shares rising more than 7% midday after the company announced a major restructuring of GE Capital, including the sale of most of its units' assets, and that it will also institute a $50 billion stock buyback program with proceeds from that move. Now, GE trading over 100 million shares this afternoon for the first time since July 2013. And we also have to mention this, the Apple Watch pre-order today. The hype is real, and the reviews so far have been positive. And with that stated, we have a great weekend ahead of us. We have Chelsea in the AM versus QPR, the West London Derby. Said it right. The Mets tearing it up against the Nats. Happy Harvey Day to everybody yesterday. And the Islanders, they finally made the playoffs. Somebody else is very happy. And even the Brooklyn Nets, they're coming alive. So it looks to be a great weekend of sports. And, well, until Monday morning, they want to go home. I want to go home. For ModernWallStreet.com, I'm James Swinney.